Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Journey. Easy steps, great English.
Hi, friends. Welcome to my Easy English Journey. Wow, look at all these big buses. Are you ready? Let's go.
Mobile clinic bus.
Mobile clinic bus is a bus for doctors. It helps sick people.
VIP bus.
VIP bus is a fancy bus. It has big and soft seats.
CNG bus.
CNG bus is a clean bus. It uses gas, not oil.
Police bus.
Police bus is a bus for police officers. They use it for work.
Sleeper bus.
Sleeper bus is a bus with beds. You can sleep on it.
Bi-articulated bus.
Bi-articulated bus is a super long bus. It has 3 parts.
Heritage bus.
Heritage bus is an old bus. People look at it to see the past.
Transit bus.
Transit bus is a city bus. It stops at many places.
School bus.
School bus is a yellow bus. It takes kids to school.
Off-road bus.
Off-road bus is a strong bus. It drives on rough ground.
Shuttle bus.
Shuttle bus is a short trip bus. It goes back and forth.
Chicken bus.
Chicken bus is a colorful bus. It carries people and things.
Multi-axial bus.
Multi-axial bus is a heavy bus. It has many wheels.
Snow coach.
Snow coach is a winter bus. It drives on snow and ice.
Charter bus.
Charter bus is a private bus. A group rents it for a trip.
Mobile library bus.
Mobile library bus is a bus with books. You can read inside.
Hybrid bus.
Hybrid bus is a smart bus. It uses both gas and electricity.
Microbus.
Microbus is a tiny bus. It looks like a van.
Safari bus.
Safari bus is a nature bus. You watch animals from it.
Electric bus.
Electric bus is a quiet bus. It uses a battery.
Intercity bus.
Intercity bus is a fast bus. It goes from city to city.
Autonomous bus.
Autonomous bus is a robot bus. It has no driver.
Hydrogen fuel cell bus.
Hydrogen fuel cell bus is a green bus. It makes water, not smoke.
Tourist coach.
Tourist coach is a travel bus. Visitors use it to see the city.
Amphibious bus.
Amphibious bus is a boat bus. It goes on land and water.
City bus.
city bus is a common bus. Everyone uses it every day.
Prison bus.
Prison bus is a secure bus. It carries bad people to jail.
Open-top bus.
Open-top bus is a bus with no roof. You can see the sky.
Mobile blood bank bus.
Mobile blood bank bus is a red bus. People give blood here.
Limousine bus.
Limousine bus is a rich bus. It is very private inside.
Articulated bus.
Articulated bus is a long bus. It bends in the middle.
Electric mini shuttle.
Electric mini shuttle is a small car. It works in airports.
Trolley bus.
Trolley bus is an electric bus. It connects to wires above.
Military bus.
Military bus is an army bus. Soldiers ride in it.
Minibus.
Minibus is a medium bus. It carries a small group.
Airport shuttle bus.
Airport shuttle bus is an airport bus. It takes you to the plane.
Double-decker bus.
Double-decker bus is a tall bus. It has 2 floors.
Tram bus.
Tram bus is a bus that looks like a train. It runs on tires.
Training bus.
Training bus is a school bus for drivers. They learn to drive here.
Cable bus.
Cable bus is a sky bus. It hangs on a wire.
Luxury coach.
Luxury coach is a top-quality bus. It is good for long trips.
Gyrobus.
Gyrobus is an old electric bus. It uses a spinning wheel.
Tour bus.
Tour bus is a bus used to transport groups of tourists for sightseeing. Great job today! You are so smart! Do you want to learn more land vehicles? Click right here. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.